I've always been captivated by the raw beauty of Iceland, a land where fire meets ice. As we embark on this journey, prepare to witness a world of breathtaking contrasts, where volcanic fury coexists with glacial serenity. Our adventure through Iceland's pristine wilderness will be accompanied by soothing piano melodies, creating a perfect harmony between sight and sound. Let the music carry you across this island of wonders, where every vista tells a story of elemental forces at work. Iceland, an island born from the depths of the Atlantic, exemplifies nature's raw power and beauty. Here, the Earth's crust is thin, allowing molten rock to push through, creating a dynamic terrain that's constantly evolving. Volcanoes and glaciers dominate the land, sculpting a world that seems almost alien in its otherworldly allure. As we soar over this magnificent isle, notice the stark contrasts below. Jet-black lava fields stretch as far as the eye can see, their rough surfaces softened by vibrant green moss. In the distance, gleaming white glaciers rest atop slumbering volcanoes, a precarious balance that defines Iceland's unique character. The air carries a hint of sulfur, a reminder of the fiery forces lurking beneath the surface. Iceland's geological wonders are a paradise for earth scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The island straddles the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are slowly drifting apart. This geological phenomenon has given rise to some of the most spectacular formations on the planet. Take, for instance, the Silfra Fissure in Thingvellir National Park. Here you can literally touch two continents at once, swimming between tectonic plates in crystal-clear waters. Or consider the towering basalt columns of Reynisfjara Beach, rising from the black sand like nature's own Gothic cathedral. These formations remind us of the immense forces at work beneath our feet, shaping our world over millions of years. Iceland's waterfalls are a spectacle of nature's power and grace. From the thunderous roar of Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall, to the elegant cascade of Seljalandsfoss, each tells a story of ice melt and volcanic terrains. These falls aren't just beautiful, they're a vital part of Iceland's ecosystem and a significant source of renewable energy. As we approach Gullfoss, the Golden Falls, watch how the Hvita River suddenly disappears into a deep crevice. The mist rising from the falls often creates rainbows on sunny days, adding to the magical atmosphere. Listen closely to the piano melody mimicking the rhythm of falling water, enhancing our sensory journey through these liquid marvels. Feel the spray on your face and the rumble of the earth beneath your feet as tons of water crash over the edge. Glaciers cover about 11% of Iceland's landmass, shaping the island's geography and serving as a stark reminder of our planet's ice ages. These massive rivers of ice grind away at the land, carving valleys and leaving behind stunning fjords. As we glide over the surface of Jökulsárlón glacial lagoon, observe the surreal blue icebergs carved from the retreating glacier. These ancient ice formations, some over 1,000 years old, float serenely in the lagoon before drifting out to sea. The interplay of light and ice creates a constantly changing palette of blues, from deep navy to ethereal turquoise. Listen for the occasional crack and groan of the ice, a reminder that these frozen giants are always on the move. Iceland's coastline stretches for nearly 5,000 kilometers, offering a dramatic meeting point between land and sea. Sheer cliffs plunge into the churning North Atlantic, home to millions of seabirds. The Latrabjarg Cliffs in the West Fjords are a prime example, where puffins, guillemots and razorbills nest in precarious positions, seemingly unfazed by the dizzying heights. Moving south, we encounter the iconic sea stacks of Reynisfjara, rising from the turbulent waters. Legend has it that these basalt columns are trolls turned to stone by the rising sun. As waves crash against their base, it's easy to imagine the mythical stories that have been inspired by this rugged coast throughout the centuries. The salty air and the cries of seabirds create a sensory experience that captures the essence of Iceland's maritime heritage. Iceland's geothermal activity is a vivid reminder of the Earth's inner heat. The Great Glacier, from which all other geysers take their name, may be dormant, but its neighbor Strokor continues to delight visitors with eruptions every few minutes. The Blue Lagoon, with its milky blue waters, rich in silica and sulfur, offers a surreal bathing experience. A steam rises from the warm water, creating a misty veil over the volcanic terrain. It's easy to feel transported to another world. This geothermal spa is a perfect example of how Icelanders have harnessed their country's natural resources for both practical and leisurely purposes. The warmth of the water contrasts sharply with the cool air, creating a unique sensory experience that epitomizes Iceland's geothermal wonders. Few natural phenomena capture the imagination quite like the Northern Lights. This ethereal light show, caused by solar particles colliding with the Earth's atmosphere, paints the night sky in vibrant greens, pinks and purples. Iceland's location just below the Arctic Circle makes it one of the best places in the world to witness this celestial dance. As the lights shimmer and swirl overhead, it's as if the very sky is alive, moving to the rhythm of our piano soundtrack. Despite its harsh environment, Iceland has been home to human settlements for over 1,000 years. The island's culture is deeply rooted in its Norse heritage, with sagas and folklore playing a significant role in the national identity. Reykjavik, the world's northernmost capital, blends modern architecture with traditional Scandinavian designs, creating a unique urban tapestry that reflects both progress and tradition. As our journey through Iceland comes to an end, we're reminded of the delicate balance that exists in this land of extremes. From the smallest Arctic flowers pushing through the volcanic soil to the great glaciers slowly reshaping the land, Iceland is a living example of the resilience and beauty of nature. It's a place where the elements dance in harmony, creating a symphony as timeless as the island itself. The piano notes echo the rhythms of this extraordinary land, from the gentle lapping of waves to the rumble of distant volcanoes. As the last notes of our piano journey fade, I hope you've been inspired by the raw beauty and power of Iceland. This virtual escape is just a glimpse of what awaits in this extraordinary land. Whether you're drawn to the geological wonders, the northern lights, or the unique culture, Iceland offers experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to explore our other documentaries showcasing the wonders of our planet. Until next time, may the spirit of adventure guide your path, and may the melodies of Iceland's natural symphony continue to resonate in your heart.